How to set free shipping in Shopify app. To set up free shipping in the Shopify mobile app, start by opening the app and tapping the Store tab, then go to Settings and tap Shipping and Delivery. From there, choose the shipping profile you want to edit or create a new one. Tap the shipping zone you want to update, then tap Add Rate. Give the rate a name like free shipping and set the price to $0. Once you've added the rate, tap Done, then save to apply the changes. You can also offer free shipping through discounts. Go back to the Shopify dashboard and tap Discounts, then tap Create Discount. Choose free shipping as a discount type and select automatic discount if you want it to apply without a code. Set a title, choose the country or region where it applies, and optionally set a minimum purchase amount or quantity required for eligibility. Once your settings are complete, tap Save Discount. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.